Hello everyone and welcome back to our English Journey TV listening practice story. Today we will learn English through the amazing life story of Michael Jackson, one of the most famous singers in history. This story is written in easy and clear English so you can improve your listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation while enjoying a true story. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Chapter 1. A small boy with a big dream. Michael Jackson was born on August 29, 1958, in Gary, Indiana in the United States. He lived in a small house with his big family. Michael had many brothers and sisters. Life was not easy for them because the family did not have much money. Michael's father, Joe Jackson, worked very hard. He wanted his children to become successful musicians. From a very young age, Michael loved music. He loved singing. He loved dancing. And he loved performing in front of people. When Michael was only 5 years old, his father noticed something special about him. Michael had an incredible voice. He could sing beautifully even as a little child. Soon, Michael joined a music group with his brothers. The group was called the Jackson 5. Michael became the lead singer. Even though he was the youngest member, his talent was amazing. People could not believe such a young boy could sing and dance so well. The Jackson 5 practiced every day for many hours. Sometimes the practice was very difficult. Michael's father was very strict. But Michael kept working hard because he wanted to become a great performer. Soon, the Jackson 5 started performing in clubs and local competitions. People loved them. Crowds cheered loudly when Michael sang. His energy on stage was incredible. Little Michael was becoming a star. Chapter 2. The Jackson 5 become famous. After many performances, the Jackson 5 got a big opportunity. A famous music company called Motown signed them. This changed their lives forever. The family moved to California. Everything became bigger and more exciting. The Jackson 5 released many hit songs. Songs like ABC, I Want You Back, and I'll Be There became very popular. Fans around the world loved Michael's voice. Even adults were surprised by his talent. Michael was still a child, but he worked like a professional singer. He traveled to many cities. He appeared on television. He performed in front of thousands of people. Sometimes Michael felt tired. He missed having a normal childhood. Other children played outside and enjoyed free time. But Michael spent most of his time practicing, recording music, and traveling. Still, he loved music deeply. Music made him happy. Whenever he stepped onto a stage, he smiled brightly. People called him a child genius. Michael wanted to become even greater. He dreamed of making music that people would remember forever. Chapter 3. Growing up in the spotlight. As Michael became older, his life changed. Being famous was not always easy. Millions of people watched everything he did. Reporters followed him everywhere. Michael sometimes felt lonely. Even though he was famous, he wanted real friends and peace. During this time, Michael continued making music. He worked harder and harder to improve his singing and dancing. He wanted to create something unique. Something the world had never seen before. Michael practiced dance moves for hours. He studied music carefully. He learned how to entertain huge audiences. Soon, Michael decided to start a solo career. He wanted to make music by himself, not only with his brothers. This was a very important decision. Many people wondered if Michael could succeed alone. But Michael believed in himself. And he was ready to show the world his true talent. Chapter 4. The Rise of a Superstar. In 1979, Michael released an album called Off the Wall. The album became very successful. People loved the music. Michael's songs were exciting, energetic, and full of emotion. But Michael was not satisfied yet. He wanted something bigger. He wanted to create the greatest album in history. So he continued working hard every single day. Then, in 1982, everything changed. Michael released the album Thriller. The world exploded with excitement. Thriller became one of the best-selling albums of all time. Songs like Billie Jean, Beat It, and Thriller became legendary. People everywhere listened to Michael's music. Children danced like him. Fans copied his style. His concerts became huge events. Michael Jackson was now called the King of Pop. One thing made Michael especially different: his dancing. The moonwalk became one of the most famous dance moves in history. When people saw Michael glide backward across the stage, they were shocked. Nobody had seen anything like it before. Michael's performances felt magical. He was not just singing. He was creating unforgettable experiences. Chapter 5. Fame around the world. Michael Jackson became one of the most famous people on earth. Fans screamed when they saw him. Thousands of people waited outside hotels just to wave at him. His music crossed language barriers. People from many countries loved him. Even people who did not speak English enjoyed his songs. Michael performed in huge stadiums around the world. His concerts were full of lights, energy, and excitement. Every performance looked incredible. Michael cared deeply about perfection. He practiced again and again before every show. He wanted his audience to have the best experience possible. But fame also brought pressure. Michael had very little privacy. Newspapers constantly talked about his life. Rumors spread everywhere. Sometimes the stories were true. Sometimes they were false. Michael often felt misunderstood. Still, he continued creating music. Because music was his passion. Chapter 6. Helping others. Michael Jackson was not only a performer. He also wanted to help people. He donated millions of dollars to charities. He cared about sick children. He cared about poor families. He cared about world peace. One famous song he helped create was "We Are the World." Many famous singers joined together to record the song. The goal was to help hungry people in Africa. The song became a huge success. Michael believed music could bring people together. He wanted the world to become kinder and more loving. Many fans admired him not only for his talent but also for his generosity. Michael often visited hospitals and spent time with children. He tried to make people smile. Even when he faced problems in his own life, he still wanted to help others. Chapter 7. Challenges and difficult times. Although Michael was incredibly famous, his life was not always happy. Fame can sometimes be very difficult. Michael faced many personal struggles. The media often criticized him. People constantly watched his appearance and behavior. Michael changed physically over the years and many people talked about it. This made his life stressful. He also faced legal problems and negative headlines. These situations hurt him emotionally. Sometimes Michael felt deeply sad. But he continued making music. He continued performing. And millions of loyal fans continued supporting him. Michael once said that music was his escape. When he performed, he felt free. The stage became his safe place. Even during difficult times, Michael's talent remained powerful. People still admired his voice, creativity, and dancing. Chapter 8. Neverland Ranch. Michael created a special home called Neverland Ranch. It was a large property with rides, animals, and beautiful gardens. Michael wanted it to feel magical. He loved children and wanted them to experience joy and happiness. Neverland looked almost like a dream world. There was a small train. There were amusement rides. There was even a zoo. Michael invited sick and disadvantaged children to visit the ranch. He wanted them to forget their problems and smile. For Michael, Neverland represented the childhood he never fully had. As a child star, he spent much of his youth working instead of playing. Neverland became his way of creating happiness and imagination. Chapter 9. The final years. As the years passed, Michael Jackson remained one of the most famous entertainers in history. Even younger generations knew his music. His songs continued playing on radios, televisions, and around the world. Fans still loved him deeply. In 2009, Michael planned a major concert series called This Is It. People were excited. Tickets sold extremely fast. Fans could not wait to see him perform again. Michael worked hard preparing for the shows. He practiced dancing and singing every day. But sadly, before the concerts began, terrible news shocked the world. On June 25, 2009, Michael Jackson passed away. Millions of fans cried. People everywhere felt heartbroken. News stations around the world talked about his death. Fans gathered together to remember him. His music suddenly played everywhere again. Many people realized how deeply Michael had influenced music and culture. Even after his death, his legacy continued growing. Chapter 10: A Legend Forever. Today, Michael Jackson is remembered as one of the greatest entertainers of all time. His music still inspires millions of people. His dance moves remain legendary. Artists around the world continue learning from him. Michael showed that hard work, creativity, and passion can change the world. He started as a little boy with a dream, and he became a global superstar. Even though his life included struggles and sadness, his music brought joy to countless people. Songs like Thriller, Billie Jean, and Black or White continue entertaining new generations. Michael Jackson's story teaches us many lessons. Dream big, work hard, believe in yourself, and never stop improving your talent. Thank you for listening to this English story about Michael Jackson. I hope you enjoyed this English listening practice. If you want more famous people stories in easy English, keep listening and practicing every day. Remember, the more you listen, the more your English improves. See you in the next story.